So this is how the lights at night work on my XC90. This part here is busted. If you look at the other side, it's all complete. So we're gonna change the bulb on this. Yep. And I think this one also. Yeah, this one works. This is only this portion here. So today we're going to replace the bulb over here because this is busted. So at night it's dark on this area. First thing to do is basically remove this trim so that it will expose the screws over here and over here. And then we could pull out the instrument cluster, and then from there we could replace the bulbs. So we might have to position this into probably D, and make sure your tires or wheels are chopped so that it will not move. So pulling up this one, yep, you pull it up, you don't really have more space to move this around, so you have to move the shifter. It's easier. Press the brake and oh. Turn it off. Probably gotta put it in neutral. So you can move this out of the way, and then there are two screws over here. It's 320. Yeah, I'm still doing it with the keys still there because I'm gonna take it out while the shifter is in reverse. Or probably. So got the two screws out. So this one is loose now. You might have to push it like downwards to loosen it. I have to get my trim tool to pry it out. Just pry it out gently. It should loosen up. So I just disconnected the 12-volt socket so that I could position it this way. And the bulb that we're replacing is, yep, this gray one over here, just below this area over here. Yeah, so I'll replace it, take that out. I'm gonna find just a toothpick in here. Okay, so what you need to do is just put your flathead, and there's an area there where you could unscrew it. Just rotate it counterclockwise. Yep. And that should loosen it. And then I'll just let it. So I just tilt the unit, and then it just dropped. Oop. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if you could see, but it's probably dark. I'm gonna put in my replacement, so I'm just gonna do the other way, but clockwise. Okay, there we go. I just drop in the bulb. Then, yeah, there are two open slots there. You just align them. Then clockwise. Yeah, I didn't turn off the battery, so it says info shut down in 2 minutes. Okay, so everything is good to go. I'll return the 12-volt plug, then put it back and then turn the car on. Okay, so I don't have any more dark spots, so I could see the numbers now during nighttime.